guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys the Banff Gondola tour. The Banff Gondola take you to the summit of the Sulfur Mountain, raising to 7,486 feet, offering stunning view of the Canadian Rockies and Banff. At the top, enjoy the informative center dining option and the scenic boardwalks. It's a must visit for the nature enthusiasts and the adventure seekers. Hello, today I'm going to show you guys a beautiful view from the Sulfur Mountain, and we're gonna ride to the Sulfur Mountain with the Banff Gondola. Let's go! This is the Banff Gondola, and right beside this is the most beautiful Starbucks I think in Canada, with this beautiful view. And look at this. So the gondola is coming and down, so we're gonna go up with this Sulfur Mountain. And this is the ticket center and the starting point of the gondola. There is a small shop and a Starbucks. Also, there is a public washroom. Starbucks has a beautiful patio. I'm going to show you guys the patio also. Look at this patio view. Now I'm going to show you guys how much is the price for the gondola ride. So you can see here the regular price is for adult $83 and $54 is for 0 to 15 and 0 to 5 is free. So we are lined up for the gondola tickets. It's a live camera on the top of the gondola. Okay, bismillah. And this gondola ride is 8 to 10 minutes. So this is the viewpoint, the Banff Gondola. So from here you can see the Banff town. Amazing. Wow, look at this Banff town on that side with the red building and the Bow River in the middle of the, like a little mountain is Tunnel Mountain. Oh, look at this on this side. This is a Lake Minnewaca. So now we are at level 4, top of the center. And we're gonna see the view from here. Wow, there is a welcome pier is here. Nice. There is so many chairs where you can enjoy your view from here. Wow, look at this, the same view, but you can see more clear and more top. It's all around this mountain peak. Another restaurant. Wow, look at this restaurant. Don't forget to come here. There is a live music as well. Wow.
Sorry guys.
At the end, we're gonna do the Sulfur Mountain boardwalk, and it's 1 kilometer long and it takes 20 to 25 minutes.
Oh, why is this camera quality better?
This stunning destination offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the Canadian Rockies. Every step of this boardwalk offers new wonders and stunning vistas, making your visit an unforgettable adventure. And enjoy the magic of the Sulfur Mountain.
Some people probably put something in it. Yeah. What did you say?
ভালোই উঁচু আছে। সব খালি হইতেছে, কেউ উঠতেছে না এখন। ও 8 তারিখ তো বন্ধ, সরি বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে।